name is Stefan Fajar Setiawan.
My name is Muhammad Rizky Aditya Wibowo. My name is David Eri.
And my name is Galen Farel Syafwan Raditya.
Okay, we are going to make a fried tape and let's go. Let's go.
The ingredients: we have a sugar, mineral water, margarine, cooking oil, salt, crispy banana flour, and tape. Step by step, put the flour in the basin and put the crispy banana flour 2 tablespoons. And put the sugar, 2 tablespoons sugar. Put the salt, a half spoon salt. Put the margarine, 2 tablespoons margarine. Pour the water, then stir it until lumpy. 200 ml water. Cut the tape, then put the batter. Then stir until evenly distributed.
We use a pan and spatula.
Heat the frying pan by using medium flame. Pour the oil into the pan, a half liter oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. Put the batter tape into frying pan which already hot. Fry until browned and then reverse. And then remove to the strainer and drain it, and then turn off stove. Fried tape ready to serve.
Well guys, this is video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are Garuda. Over now.